Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Camille, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I got these beautiful curls done. So this is just me putting rods on dry hair and leaving it overnight. I do have another video where I did put rods on wet hair. The results are totally different, so I'd love for you to check that out. You can either click the card up top or the link in the description box. If you're new, please feel free to subscribe down below and join the family, and if you're not new, welcome back guys. Yeah guys, so I washed my hair and pretty much put it in a bun to dry. This is why it's looking like this. I already added some products to my hair, so I'm just using some of this Cantu moisturizer. It's not thick, so it's not gonna like weigh down my hair when the curls are like ready to pop, you know. So yeah, now I'm just sectioning off my hair because this will make it way easier when putting the rods in. And I think I might go for a center part or even a side part, but this will make it much more easy and I can decide which part I want to go with regardless. I'll be using 5 rods on each side, and as I said, it's going to be rods on dry hair. And based on the fact that I had my hair in a bun, the ends of my hair kind of a little bit dry and curly. That's what I don't want, so I'm just putting some water to the ends so that it would help to lock the curls in or seal the hair on the rod itself. So let's say your hair was wrapped where you know it's all straight. Maybe you wouldn't need to add the water to the ends of your hair. It would still like be able to wrap it around, but my hair just would not stay. So I definitely needed some help somewhere. And guys, you notice how long my hair is getting, and it can't even fit in the camera anymore. That's good, natural. Another reason why I would not like recommend putting a lot of water on your hair, because you're only gonna have the rods in overnight, so you want to make sure that your hair is dry fully the next day.
Franchi boy.
Yes, so it's finally the next day. Popped on some makeup, and now we're ready to see what the curls are looking like. So I was a bit confused as to whether to take the front ones out first or the back ones. So I decided to start from the back because that would have been way much more easier. After taking the rods out one by one, I'm really happy that the curls are actually looking like curls, because sometimes you do put rods in your hair and when you take them out, they drop right down. Now I'm just going in with some olive oil hair polisher. We don't want to put anything too wet or heavy on the hair to loosen the curls. We still want to make sure that we have that big puffy curl. Yeah, so this is pretty much just to add some sheen and a little bit of moisture to my hair.
Franchi boy.
I definitely have a love-hate relationship with my edge controls because one minute I like them, the next minute I don't. This edge control is starting to leave some white stuff in my hair that I don't like, so it's not something that I'm gonna be using quite often. But yeah, I think I need to try something else out because this is not my fave. I'll still use it, it still does work being an edge control, but I really don't like the white residue. Putting in some castor oil now, just to the parting. I didn't put any on my scalp or whatever. I might do something. I might have done that later on in the night. But yeah, this is what the back is looking like, and this is the final look. Guys. The curls did not turn out so bad. I can definitely rock this for maybe 3 days or less, depending on where I go with it. So these curls are not gonna last that long because I didn't put any like curl booster or anything in my hair, so it's not gonna last all that long. But yeah, if you want, you could put that in if you intend to wear it for like a week or whatever. You can put curl boosters in so that it will stay for a longer time. That is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe now. Turn on your bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I post, and until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.